The organization Friends of Acadia is a splendid example of stewardship. In addition to contributing to the Island Explorer, it has been responsible for raising millions of dollars to restore and perpetually maintain Acadia's carriage roads. Friends of Acadia arranged for purchase of special carriages so that the handicapped might enjoy those unique roads. Turning its attention to hiking trails, it raised more millions of dollars and thousands of hours of volunteer labor to repair existing trails and renew miles of abandoned trails. Acadia Trails Forever, the campaign was called, because these trails are now permanently endowed to ensure their continued care. Nothing like it has ever been done in this country. But then, no other place has quite the heritage of caring, of giving, of volunteering, of bringing out the best in people, as does Acadia.
Isn't this place worth it? Look again. This time see as the eagle sees Acadia.